Gardening is not about being an expert. It's about learning things from season to season and applying those things as you grow as a person. It's also about the experience you can have with your family and your friends, taking things from seed to table. Now what that's done is that's given me 4 equally spaced rows of these turnips. Pretty simple. You roll along, drops the seeds, covers it back up. Whether you have a 1/4 acre garden at your house or just a couple raised beds, the things that I'm going to teach you in this course are going to help you grow more food than you thought possible. That string that we just laid out is going to be the edge of our first active growing area. So this is now going to be my pathway. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to mix all of our ingredients till it's nice and homogenized. There's so much hope and anticipation in a little seed. You can just only hope for when you put this little seed in the ground, you're going to get something beautiful. The velocity of the water coming off of these pre-molded forms are going to spin this head and it's going to wobble like that. It shoots the water at a really high angle, comes down really great, just like rainwater. In the end, really it's important to remember that plants just need the same things that we do. They need air, they need water, they need food, they need protection. And if you make sure that they are all well-rounded and taken care of, I guarantee that you're going to have great success.